guys, I'm Madeline Harvey. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. We're gonna walk through a very quick warm-up. Ready? This is a warm-up that you can do every day to prepare your voice for singing. So what you want to make sure that you do when you warm up your voice is to kind of understand that the purpose of a warm-up is to ramp up the voice. So you want to do what's called the progressive load. You want to start light and then slowly start to add intensity and weight to the sound. You don't want to start with the hardest exercise. So we're going to start light. We'll do just a little bit here and a little bit there. And by the end of today's video, your voice will be in a really sweet spot. Okay? So if you like today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up or click that subscribe button below. I'd love to see you here more often. So here we go. First thing that we're going to do is a gentle lip trill. So you want to think that your pressure is moving this way, that you're not reaching up to these notes. So we're going to rely on our speed to get us where we need to go. Here we go. Think you're gonna lean into it instead of reach up to it. Try that one again. Good. Next sound is going to be a head voice activation. We're going to use the W to give us something to hold on to, and then we're going to release an E sound. And we're going to start right here. Let's give that a go. Put the W in between. Again, do not reach up for it. Use that W to release the pressure. Use that W. Good. Next sound is going to be a kind of a cow kind of sound. This gives exclusivity to the mask, otherwise known as the nasal lilt. We want to create a sense of driving the pressure into the nose. This takes the pressure off of the throat. So our sound, we'll bring it right here. Now keep in mind, it's not about how loud you can sing. So really modulate your volume so that you can get the proper placement and airflow. Here we go. Get that placement right on that very first note. You don't want to imagine that you're pulling up to it. You want to press into the mask and get it right from the first note. If it needs to wobble, go ahead and let it wobble. This is only a warm-up. It's not about being perfect. Good girl. Good. Now, remember, warm-ups are about activations. So we're activating the space, activating the pressure. So it's not about how loud you can sing, or it is a little about how high you can sing, but you want to ask permission for it. So let's try that F. That's F5. Here we go. Good. Very, very good. Let's do maybe two more. You feel that focus of the tone right on the mask? That's really, really, really good. Very good. So the next thing that we want to do is kind of like a shaking off of the sound. So we've activated the nasal lilt, otherwise known as the mask. Now we want to activate a little bit of that back space called the pharyngeal space. It is in the back of it's where our throat meets our nose. So we're going to say, yeah, but we're only going to move the tongue, not the jaw. So we're not going to go, yeah, yeah, yeah. We're going to go, yeah, yeah, yeah. See how it got bratty, like immediately? Yes, it's going to get bratty, but don't push. This is about release. It's not about push. So we're going to go, yeah, 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 yeah. So this is the part of the warm-up that we just want to shake everything off. We want to find a speech level kind of approach to the sound. We don't want to go, yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't want to push a chest voice. We want to get a mixture going on. But we're trying to be sneaky about it, okay? We're going to try to sneak into that. Try it with me. Feel the release. There shouldn't be a lot of intensity in terms of effort about that high note. It just should be more like baby babble. So this is teaching the voice how to stay intense, but release at the same time, okay? Let's try it right here, B4. Hearing that intensity on that D5. I love this. I love this exercise so much. Hear how the chords are thinning out, but they're remaining edgy, like intense. And we're not picking up too much push. Matter of fact, we've got very little push subglottally. We feel the diaphragm feels really, really good, but we're just letting it go. So we're getting that perfect blend of what's necessary. So let's try maybe two more. Right. So it's kind of sneaking in that what's called compression. Compression is the chord's ability to gently squeeze on the interior. Because the tongue is rolling out of the way, the vocal cords get a little bit more exposure, but again, they stay thin, they stay speech-like. So it really gives the voice an opportunity to ramp up for those high notes, but without over squeezing or over pushing. Okay? There you have it, guys. Super, super, super quick. Now, this is just the 10-minute version. If you like where this puts you in your voice and you want to do the entire warm up, that's like what you should be doing every day, then click that join button below, become a member of this channel. As a member, you'll have exclusive access to all of our lives that we do every Monday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. But that's okay if you can't meet with us live. We'd love it though, but it's okay if you can't meet with us live. You'll also have exclusive access to our members only area with over 100, maybe 50 hours of voice lessons. So you can really sink your teeth into just about anything that you want to explore with your voice. So again, if you liked this warm up and want to do the full hour of like get in there, warm up every aspect of your voice, click that join button below. It's only $4.99 a month, and your contribution helps to support our channel. That way we can continue to deliver awesome content that's just for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you feel nice and warm and ready to sing, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.